Yes, I do own this shirt and I definitely wear it, but I still believe anyone can fly Acro. Let's learn how. If you have a friend who's into the hobby or you've been wanting to get into it, you may pick up a simulator, but as soon as you get off the ground, you're gonna have two things up against you. The first thing is throttle control, right? You're not gonna know how to keep your altitude. And if you've only used GPS drones, you're gonna have trouble keeping the horizon level. So I wanna start with a simple exercise. As you can see here, I'm gonna set my throttle on the left side for a mode 2 stick. And what I'm going to do is set my throttle just slightly high enough where I'm off the ground, and then I'm going to use just the right stick to move forward and backwards. As I go around trying to keep myself level, you'll see at some point I'll learn how to do the corners. If you need to learn how to corner, this is a great exercise because you're not playing around with the throttle at this point, right? Alright, once you've mastered cornering and going around, it's really up to you. As a cinematic pilot, the one thing I really like is to get really close and very close to the ground and go around obstacles. It's not so much about tricks. If you're a freestyle pilot, you may want to try something slightly different, like this little concrete place here that I try to nail a little bit later on, but anyone can fly this with enough training time. So go out there, apply what I've taught you, start real slow, just set the throttle just to where your quadcopter is slowly climbing, kind of like here, and then you can always just go back to basics, play around with the sticks.